American English pronunciation. The sounds of T. T pronounced as T. The regular T sound is almost always used when T is the first letter of a word and sometimes the last. Examples: table, tall, test, best, cat. Consonant clusters, which are the grouping of 2 or 3 consonants together. T pronounced as D. When T is between 2 vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U, or between a vowel and L or R, these letters are called semivowels to linguists. It becomes a D sound. In phonetics, this sound is called flat, which means the tongue touches the roof of the mouth quickly. Examples: computer, water, bottle, heater, better, matter, ability, university, put it on, great idea. Stop T in the middle or at the end of a word. Environment, about, fitness, development, tonight. Imitate, articulate. Silence T after N. When T comes after N, the T sound, T sound is dropped in many words. This rule is not as important as it's informal. It is mostly used when people speak quickly. Practice with interview, wanted, don't know, 20, center. T pronounced as N. When T is before an N and the vowel sound is the stress as a schwa sound, the T sound, T sound is stopped and turns into a hard N. Mountain, fountain, curtain, important, sentence, written, button, kitten. Reference: American English pronunciation. The sounds of T.